right, so we got a snow day here. There's nothing to do except go down here and tinker down Benny's garage.
Ain't got no parts for the Mustang.
Another week for my floor. Let's show them the Fairlane. Go ahead and talk about your latest purchase of these fantastic Ford collection that you're
Well, the only reason is because I can't find a GM product
that's a lame
that I can afford.
Lame.
It's just the truth.
Why don't you just come clean? You just love Fords. Talk about your $1,500 purchase. Not in bad shape.
Not in bad shape.
It's going to be a good Carlisle bug-out car for us.
Got 4 doors. Everybody can have their own door.
So what's the plan with it? Are we going to throw some clear coat and leave it patina?
I think so.
Is that what we're going to do?
Unless you get a hair up your ass and want to paint it.
Oh,
I'm just saying, you don't want to paint it.
I can't paint all your fleet of cars that you have.
You don't want to paint it, that's fine.
I only have so much life left in me.
That's fine.
Tyler, shine that out there. Look at that last project he started. Look how far that one got.
That is the remains of the other one. It is not the one we're going to fix.
No, that was a full car last year.
Yeah, right. You would start on something like that.
Well, maybe.
Here it is in all its glory. It's filthy. It's got some rust here and there, but ain't nothing we can't fix. I know a guy, he does half-ass metal work. Maybe I can get him to fix that. I cleaned on it for about 2 days. It was really quite dirty. Filthy inside. I've gone through many a paper towel.
Just clean that window with dirt.
I've been cleaning that for days, man. It just doesn't come off.
What the hell did you use? Dirty socks?
Brand new towels every time.
It's all right for a $1,500 car. Put a carburetor kit and some points in it and run it down the road.
I hope.
No emissions.
That's what we're waiting on.
Good gas mileage, 4 doors.
Still waiting
easy to
on
work
parts.
on. And you can stay true to your brand, your Ford brand that you love so much, that you criticize so much. Just stop ragging on the Fords and accept it. You own a fleet of Fords.
I do not own a fleet of Fords.
Ford, and more Fords at your house.
Chevrolet motor in that Ford.
Still a Ford. You made a bad decision by putting that Chevrolet motor in there.
The mighty 200 6-cylinder. Everyone shakes at the power that monster puts out. If it runs, because we don't know if it's going to run. It turns over real nice. But
so you bought a car and you don't know if it runs. Is that not a surprise? See a power. You get a title?
Not yet. Waiting on the damn title. I know it says with title.
It says with title. Everything you read, it's correct, right? It says lots of FE parts. Where's the FE parts?
He sold them all.
Okay, probably sold your title too.
He says he's coming with it. The power brakes.
14-inch tires.
No power steering.
Drum brakes.
Does have a radio though.
AM.
Got some holes in the floor we got to fix. Automatic. The fellow we bought it from said it's been sitting for about 20 years, maybe a little longer. He's had it in his garage, and he had to move. He had a screwing by the state of Pennsylvania, so he had to sell his stuff. Clean out the fuel tank, get some good gas in it.
Just another project. Benny's Corner. I would put a set of torque thrusties on that thing.
That is
a clear coat paint job.
We need to talk about.
And I'd run the wheels right off
some of the finest thing that Ford has ever come up with.
What's that?
Watch this. And it's not just this Ford. Any Ford ever produced.
What might that be?
I'm going to show you. Look at them 4-way flashers. Are they not beautiful? You will never in your life find a better 4-way system in any car ever built than one made by Ford. All heavy-duty wiring. Matter of fact, that'd probably be a good upgrade for damn near anybody, is to find a Ford 4-way flash system.
I'd hate like hell to get stranded between here and Carlisle on the way. Just bring Carlisle on this thing. Yeah, but I guess we could use the 4-ways like you love so much.
I'm just saying.
All right, touching on projects in Benny's garage, as you guys can see. We've got a Falcon project that's turned into a wonderful table, because if it sits for more than a week, Benny uses them for tables.
And why is it here? Because we've been working on a flipping Mustang for a solid month.
Hey, you got Saturdays down here. What have you been doing on your Saturdays?
Working on other people's cars.
How about working on your own stuff?
Ain't got time.
Anyhow, 63 Falcon. Hey, we got the door on it. We got this side all welded up. That looks good. We just got to finish welding the other side, and we can move on from this project. Look, Benny's 61 Ranchero.
61. It hasn't moved.
It hasn't moved in a couple years. It's still sitting here.
It's still sitting there.
But, half the body work's done on that car, but as you can see, it's become a wonderful table. Look at the stuff it's collected over the years. It's like a magnet. Anything metal just sticks to it. Look at that. Even the air conditioner is ready to stick to the side of it. Look at that. Clunk.
I have to weld a bracket on so we can make that
Hey, is that a
work.
factory AC Ranchero? It looks like it. The Jeep project we did 2 years ago.
What are we waiting on? The doors that still aren't painted.
And this is mine.
It's too damn cold to drive it.
This is my project. It's not even a project. I inherited this from my father. And let's see how this fine automobile starts.
Won't you wash that damn thing?
It needs it. I know. Typical GM. That thing's cold. That old girl's cold. What that wine was?
I don't know. It's your car. You tell me.
I don't know. I don't drive it.
Typical GM, huh? Oh, you mean it starts. Okay.
86 Grand National. Father bought that car brand new, and it's still in the family. Rust free. It's a little dusty, but we'll get that cleaned up in the spring. This is what we're reduced to when it snows. We have to come down here and work on stuff.
We got new parts.
Yeah, we're waiting on parts. We're in limbo. It's just a little video in between parts. It's prepped. It's ready for the floor. It's really ain't got nothing we can do.
What?
I can't bring the roof in and start peeling it back because that cab's in there. Can't do that.
Oh, your Mustang?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
And you're going to cut the quarter panels off.
Well, I got to do the roof before the quarters go on. Yeah.
Floor, roof,
then quarters.
quarter panels.
Quarters, and then trunk floor. Yep.
Tail lights.
Well, that's all part of it. Trunk floor, taillight panel, drop offs, outer wheel.
So in other words, we've built a whole brand new 69 Mustang.
Yeah, pretty much. But you know what you got.
An ugly car?
Again, Tyler, take a picture. Talking about ugly cars. Come on, seriously?
Much better looking than a Mustang.
Oh my God.
Hell, that's better looking than a Mustang.
You need to go in a psych ward. You're just out. You're just batshit crazy.
Bring it back to the asylums.
Yeah. Yeah, well, there's a candidate right there. Smile. Smile, Chucky. I'm sorry we don't have any good Super Cobra Jack footage, but it's coming. We've been busy digging out driveways and stairwells, and we all have different tastes in cars.
Thank God.
He likes 4 doors. I like 2 doors.
Like, subscribe,
Share. Just gotta tell him what to say. It's getting bad. Every year, it's getting worse. Pretty soon, I'm gonna have to put his name on the bottom of his foot and put him at his front door and drop him off for his wife. In Toy Story, with yeah, exactly. And have to put his name down there, and then he'll start answering to Woody. Please share our videos, like and subscribe and share. Saturdays and Wednesdays the videos come out. Still waiting on the parts for the Super Cobra Jet, but they are coming. Tuesday, I should have a floor. So hopefully next Wednesday, we may have some content of the floor going in. So we're gonna keep this project going. And I said 140 days for paint in the last, I think we'll be ready for paint well before that. I mean, once I get the parts, I mean, I can cut that car apart and put it back together pretty quick. Any comments or questions you guys have, send them to Bloated Toad Garage and we'll answer them as quick as we can. So until the next video, see ya.